What?
Action.
I don't know what I'm doing. You set all these up.
Define chromatography.
Chromatography is the process of separating a substance and identifying its components.
Based on?
I can tell that you zoomed in right there.
How do you know?
Because I can see the.
How do you know? How do you know?
Because I'm alright. Anyways, sorry. What are you saying?
Based on what?
This dude from Russia.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, his name is Mikhail. I forgot his last name, and he found it when he
was like Tweeter or something like that.
No, I'm pretty sure it started with an R. I can look it up.
Rasputin.
Twisette.
She told you it was a T.
Mikhail Twisette.
It still sounds kind of gay.
Yeah, it is. Anyways, I want to name my son Mikhail because it's awesome.
Just don't throw him the Twisette.
He discovered it while isolating pigments.
Okay.
Super tight.
So this is good for separating colors. Make rainbows. I kind of want to do what Nikki did with hers and put our name on one of them. That's just me though.
We should name our group and write the logo.
These are microcapillary things. You probably can't tell, but these are hollow.
And made out of glass. And don't ingest them.
Yeah. We put them all in these, and we're gonna call something like spotting. It's not when you're on your period, but you take it from right here and you just dot each one right here.
Oh, wait a second, dude. We need the 1 centimeter thing.
One phase being stationary while the other phase is
Alright, well that's pretty much awful, but I did it anyways. It's beautiful.
Exactly 1 centimeter from the bottom
So now I just do a dot.
of everything.
They just gotta lay that huge load of methyl on there.
Wait. We need to do this in order. Oh,
Want to make sure you do these in a particular order. So,
this order.
yeah, this order.
The order where we're gonna calculate all of our data.
Yeah. And on the line, a straight line. Better than Antonio's.
Alright, I figured out how to do it. You just like press it down. According to this chart, the unknown contains 2 different dyes. So when we use this spotting technique, 2 colors will appear and we'll be able to determine what 2 dyes those are.
Based on the
Using
distance it goes.
chromatography. Bam.
Yeah. Retention values. So, Anthony, will you real quick describe the 2 kinds of chromatography we're doing right now? There's the still and then there's the motion.
That's right. The first phase is stationary and the second phase is mobile.
And
So this was the first phase where it's stationary. And we fill this beaker up with whatever Blake's going to get, so we can fill this beaker up. And we put this in here. And we get some the plastic wrap and rubber band. We seal this off. The mobile part comes from when these dyes will move up and we can identify different stuff, because that's what chromatography is, identifying stuff.
sweet.
Yeah. Alright. So I'm about to draw my 1 centimeter line with my handy dandy ruler. So okay. This is all in order.
Where are you? Not on my folder, bro. My bad. It's okay. I would have done the same thing. Guys, you hear that? We need to unscrew the caps and then just pour it all over the paper.
Alright.
Okay?
Let's do it.
No, wait,
An
don't
artist.
do it, don't do it.
Yeah.
And the last one is done, and Blake's face is still there. Therefore, he did all of them. If you're having problems, I feel bad for you, son. I have 99 problems and a test ain't one. I got a 2 out of 5.
Great eye.
So we've prepared all 3 jars. Solution 3, solution 2, and solution 1. And we're almost ready. I still need to make mine. I am sorry.
I already got BD.
Alright, this is Kareem's.
A bachelor pad?
I said BD.
Alright,
You did it.
so
Did it all.
I guess we only have to show one for this.
Yeah,
but
we just put them all at the same time, and then that's all we
Alright,
gotta show.
there's 3 different solutions. That's one of them. The other one's in Blake's hand, and that one. There's that one.
So how much does my poured?
I already filled mine up.
How far did you turn?
You have to do it less than a centimeter. Alright, it's less than a centimeter.
And it
It
smells
starts
really
soaking up. It's right on the line. All the color's gonna go up there, and it's gonna get,
Alright.
And so what we do
you know,
is we put these.
Whatever.
Oh wait, we put our papers in there first, right? Make sure the sides don't bend. If they bend, we are retarded.
have you filled yours up yet?
Yeah.
Is it less than a centimeter?
Yeah.
Might want a little more than that though.
Why?
Because it should be like right on the line.
Hey, you're supposed to have it now.
We're done with 2 of them. The solvent has traveled enough of a distance to show its mark. But we are leaving one of them, which is solvent 2, alone because it has not changed that much compared to solvent 1 or solvent 3. Don't you just love the smell of whatever this stuff is in
It's
the
like
morning?
acetone and shit.
Acid, vinegar, and shit. I love the smell of vinegar and shit.
Oh yeah.
So this is 3, and now we need to start measuring.
Hang on table.
Okay, so to measure retention value, what you do is you find the center of these colored circles with the ruler, and then you measure the distance between that and the bottom line down here.
Just
the
the center?
solvent
Are you
line.
sure the center?
Yeah, just the center, because a lot of these stretch out.
Alright.
And then that will be the distance traveled by the solute. Then we put that over the distance traveled by the solvent, which is the clear liquid. So Antonio and I drew the 2 solvent lines. So the way the retention final was calculated was distance traveled by solute over distance traveled by solvent. In solvent 1, the denominator is all the same. Yeah, it's the equation right here. And as you can see here, Antonio did the calculation, such as 3.5 over 9 equals that, and all those things.
And based on the color, I determine the unknowns, or what I think the unknowns are.
Based on the color, he was able to.
Based on color and distance traveled.
Based on color and distance traveled, he was able to determine what the unknowns might be. Now it's Blake's turn to go through the same rite of passage.
Alright. That's the sub.
There we go. Because Blake drew one of the lines for us and whatnot.
So we just measure it all the way from the bottom.
So as soon as you take it out of solution, you draw a line to mark where the solvent ends.
Alright, so here we have is all the data that we recorded.
We are awesome.
We are awesome. And here it is. Dye. Solution set. Got the red.
Hey, Kareem. What are you doing now? Food? Is that a yes? Alright. Because I still need to make that mountain.
And thank you. This has been a report.
What would you like us to do about?
Stop zooming in, I can tell.
Look how precious this thing is. It's a column chromatography. I don't even know why we're doing it because we don't record anything, but it's here.
It's gonna be.